I am a little nervous for the convention.
Don't be nervous.
Just a little, though.
I'm honestly not very nervous because TwitchCon went so smoothly. Only make us whole. I'll put lots of holes in your body with a knife in game. I was nervous about TwitchCon, but I don't have a lot to worry about. People are very nice. This convention I'm a bit worried about because there's a lot of pressure, but sneeze in my butthole. Gonna be honest, my nose is really pointy. I think if I sneezed in your butthole, you'd inflate like a balloon. My nose, I got shotgun nostrils, dude. You'd inflate like Rouge the Bat on Wattpad, baby. I got a really pointy nose. It's like people when I was little would always say they could ski off my nose. That's gotta be a resub. I think so. That name sounds familiar. I can't. Am I your streamer?
Don't threaten me with a good time.
Oh my god, you know what's bad? It's bad whenever I'm being ironic as a meme and people roll with it. They're like, "Ayo, baby, no, 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 no! I was /J, not /serious."
Built like